Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen, and today we're picking our winner for the Hello Kitty month giveaway. That was the hashtag PHA 2022 Hello Kitty month, and it was hosted by Jenny, who's Crafty Hilo Girl, and the PHA group is Christian's Crafty Adventures here on YouTube and Instagram. Okay, let me plug my phone in just so we don't die out. So I wanted to do a live drawing of my winner for the giveaway, but it wasn't happening. So I did the wheel of names. So I created the list of names, and this is the wheel with everybody's names on it that had a purple heart and that is subscribed to our subscribe to my channel and follow on Instagram. So once the winner is picked, I will verify if you are qualified to win the prize, and you will have till Wednesday to notify me with your mailing address for me to send it to you. Okay, so you will message me on Instagram. So that'll also tell me that you are following me on Instagram, and I could get that mail out to you quicker. So before we spin the wheel, before I accidentally spin the wheel again, I'm gonna put it over here. And I just wanna show the prizes again. Here we go. This is the wand. I decided I was just gonna put a cellophane bag over the top of the wand part, and I'll package that up for you for the winner. I also packaged up this cute little chunky dangle. It's really tiny, but I made a little clasp here and a bead wire wrapped some of the loose beads, added some of my cabochons and chunky charms. So there you go. That's one of the prizes. And here is two of the original from the original video. Now, I did make a second video showing my prize, and I guess I caused some confusion about where you should put the purple heart in the comments. It was supposed to be on the that video, the original video where I shared my projects. So I went ahead, and if you entered purple heart in that second video that I made with come see my prizes, I went ahead and put your name on the list if you didn't already put it on the original video. So here is my packaging. We created these little kitty fans. This is a KS Craft die, and I did this on a live with Luisa, Chiquita, and Eve. So that one, and I made sure that not that it has to spin, but I made sure that I could spin the little fan propellers inside. And then the second one, I made a shaker. And, you know, I kind of wanted to leave a lot of it plain so that whoever wins this, they can go ahead and embellish it further. And on this shaker one, I just added a little satin bow on there from my stash. And then here's the Memory Decks card. It's inside this little box that I created for the card. And that card, the Memory Decks card, is a Ferris wheel. So a lot of them, like I said, will be left very plain so that when you get it, whoever wins this, you can further embellish. And then here is the box with the extra straws. So I think there's like 5 extra straws with different Hello Kitty designs and different color. So I gave you guys one of each. And I can't open this up now because even if I open the plastic, the package, the box itself is already wrapped up. So there is that. Okay, and then I also wanted to go ahead and, so I had these from Five Below, and these have multiple sheets, so I'm going to go ahead and pull some of these sheets out of my stickers because the booklet itself is repetitive. It's the same on every sheet. So I will be giving out, let me see, how many is in here? 6 pages. So I give 2 of this one. This will be put in a cellophane bag so I can protect it. And so 2 of those. And I think this one has 4 sheets, so I'm gonna go ahead and, oh, ooh, nice. Oh, that's so cool. It says 4 sheets, but okay, whatever. I pulled this out. This one's yours. So that would be for my winner. And then there's another page or booklet, and it's all the same. And if you guys are following Christian's Crafty Adventures, she shares how to use these stickers. Fun, 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 fun. So these will be packaged into a bag like right now. And then we will draw our winner. Okay. I can never get these back. I wanted to do this live, you know, so that I can have a live video up, but it's a no can do for this Wi-Fi that I have. I know, sad story, right? We don't want to hear your sad story, but it's the truth. I cannot go live up in my craft room. It's just not happening. So there it is. And if you're wondering, how do I go live with Louisa? I do go live with her when she's hosting, but I get kicked out once in a while, or sometimes the audio goes really, really bad. So there's that. And yeah, so this is our wonderful prize. And we're going to package this up. And I thought that would be a nice little package to receive. Right? I mean, I think so. All right, so here we go. This is our wheel. Move this over, and excuse my squeaky floor also. Okay, here's our wheel. And all the names on here only entered once, okay? Must be US, only 18 years or older. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and following me on Instagram. And once the name is listed, I will not put it in the comments. And please, guys, do not comment the person's name in in the comments. I want them to watch to the end so that that way I know you guys are watching my videos. Oh my gosh, the bribery. Anyway, I'll spin the wheel. I will, let me see. I think I can shuffle. No. Where is it? Oh, here. So all the names are entered. I'm gonna go a real quick shuffle of our names. That's 1 time, 2 times. I like to shuffle the names just so that 1 more time. All right, so I got all the names shuffled, and we're going to spin the wheel. All you gotta do is tap this, and yeah, we'll go from there. So let's see who our winner is. Oh wait, hold on. Let's hold on for a minute. Let me get a pen. So once my name is picked, I'm gonna write it down, and then just, you guys could say congratulations and all that. Just please, I just ask, don't leave the name on there. That way we know that that person is paying attention and watching the video. And you go to my Instagram and direct message me your mailing address. All right, let's do the spin. 1, 2, 3. Good luck, everybody. B. Livingston. Hey, B. B. Livingston, you are the winner for my giveaway. And I will remove her name from the wheel. Hashtag PHA 2022. Hello Kitty Month. And that way, if she does not contact me by Wednesday, this coming Wednesday, so that today's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. If you do not contact me in my Instagram messaging, I will come back to this very same wheel and we will spin the wheel again. And that person will also have 3 days to contact me. That's a lot of time. So I'm gonna remove B from our list, or let's just hide her. But B Livingston, I just entered the name as it was on my YouTube video comments list. So there it is. I hope she contacts me soon, and I'll see you all on the next one. And thank you all for watching and joining along on our hop. It was so much fun. As you can see, I just kept on creating with our Hello Kitty, because how often do we get to play with Hello Kitty? Not a lot. So thank you again, everybody. I know it's long-winded, but I really appreciate you. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.